Good evening, students. Today I am going to revise nuclear physics chapter alpha decay, beta decay and gamma decay. First, let me learn alpha decay. So alpha means positive. Okay, a nuclear reaction in which an unstable parent nucleus emits an alpha particle and forms a stable daughter nucleus is called alpha decay. A nuclear reaction in which an unstable parent nucleus, okay, we are taking the parent nucleus that is unstable, it emits an alpha particle and it is a stable daughter nucleus, that is alpha decay. Example, decay of uranium-238. Uranium isotope uranium is 238. It emits thorium and helium. It emits thorium and helium. Helium is a alpha particle. Okay. So alpha decay, the parent nucleus emits an alpha particle. So that parent nucleus is uranium. It emits thorium and helium. So uranium is unstable. This helium is stable. Helium is an alpha particle. The mass number decreases by 4 and atomic number decreases by 2. Okay. Here mass number decrease by 4. See the uranium is U-238-92. Okay, it is a parent nucleus. It emits thorium Th23490 plus helium He24. Okay, so this parent nucleus uranium-238 mass number decrease by 4. So 238 is a mass number, 92 is a atomic number. This mass number decreased to 4. So this decreased means it form a daughter nucleus, that is thorium. Thorium is 234. So 238 is a parent nucleus. 234 is a daughter nucleus. It lost 4 electron. Okay. So it decreased by 4 and atomic number decreased by 2. So here atomic number is 92 but thorium is 90. So it decreased 2. So that 2 and 4 decreased part is alpha particle. Second one, beta decay. Beta means negative particle. A nuclear reaction with an unstable parent nucleus emits a beta particle and forms a stable daughter nucleus is called beta decay. Example, phosphorus. Phosphorus P3215. In phosphorus atomic number is 15, mass number is 32. The parent nucleus. This parent nucleus is unstable. It emits sulfur. Yes, that atomic number is 16, 32. Then it produces a beta particle. That beta particle is a negative ion electron -1, 0. Okay, beta decay, there is no change in the mass number. See the mass number here 32. In the daughter nucleus also 32. Here no changes in the mass number. But atomic number increases by 1. Atomic number here 15, there 16. Atomic number increased. Okay. Next one, gamma decay. Gamma decay only the energy level of the nucleus changes. Gamma is a neutral molecule. Only the energy level of the nucleus changes. The atomic number and mass number of the radioactive nucleus remain in the same only. Never change the atomic number and mass number. The energy level only changes in gamma decay. Next, let we learn nuclear fission. In 1939, German scientist Otto Kahn and E. F. Strassmann discovered that when an uranium nucleus is bombarded with a neutron, it breaks up into two smaller nuclei, comparable mass, along with the emission of few neutrons and energy. This process is breaking, that means splitting of a heavier nucleus into two smaller nucleus. Okay, so fission means broken. Okay, it breaks this heavier nucleus converted into lighter nucleus. Okay, that is fission. Okay, so heavier nucleus that given here uranium 235. That uranium 235 in this reaction, see the reaction, uranium 235, nuclear fission of an uranium 235, here neutron. Uranium 235 reacted that neutron to form barium, krypton, positron and energy. Okay, so nuclear fission means heavier nucleus converted into lighter nuclei. See the diagram, neutron attacking the uranium. Okay, so uranium breaks up to lighter nuclei, that is barium and krypton. Then it produces some energy. So what is meant by nuclear fission? The process of breaking up of heavier nucleus into two smaller nuclei with the release large amount of energy. That is called nuclear fission.